Hi everyone, welcome back to Armcandy. We've got a really beautiful bag in the drop this week. This is a Givenchy Antigona and this is in size medium and it is in python skin, which is really nice. I just think the structure of the bag paired with the python skin just makes the bag look so luxurious. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to talk you through some of the features now. So as you can see, we've got two double top handles there. We also have a longer strap, as you can see. If I show you the top of the bag, we've got a zip top closure, and then inside, it's very roomy inside, and we've got a zip pocket there, which is quite a decent size as well. Actually, it goes all the way to the bottom of the bag, and then on the front of the bag you've also got two more flat pockets there, a smaller one and a larger one. So that is the features of the bag. I'm going to talk to you about the condition a little bit now. So we've called the exterior, interior and hardware all good on this bag, and I'll tell you a little bit about why now. So for the exterior, as it's python skin, it's very delicate, so there is a few parts of the bag where the scales are lifting a little bit, especially on the top handles there, because they've been held, of course. So I'll give you a little bit of a closer look. You can see that there is some wear to the handles, mainly the handles. There is a few more bits, more parts that are a bit worn, around the bag. There's one particular area on the corner there where you can see it's kind of peeling a little bit, just in that corner. And then overall, I mean, the python skin looks like really beautiful, but yeah, there's just a couple of areas where it is a little bit worn. So that's the exterior. The hardware also good. I'll give you a bit of a closer look. You can see that it's, if I focus on that, it's fairly scuffed on the hardware. On the zip pull there, so that's why we've had to call the hardware good. And on there too, you can see there's like little scratches across it, but not too bad at all. Give you a closer look so you can see on the other side. So yeah, that's why we've called the hardware good. And then the interior, I'll give you a look. Again, it actually looks really good inside. There is just a few scratches across the interior of the bag, which, if I bring the bag close to the light, you can see that there is scratches around on the leather, and it is the leather is a bit worn on the interior as well, and a little bit creased, but it does still look really good on the inside. So yeah, that's the condition, so that's good all around. I'm going to show you what the bag comes with. We've got a Givenchy dust bag here, a really big one. We also have a receipt in this little brown envelope, and that's from the receipt from Selfridges. So that comes in this little brown envelope here. I'm going to show you the bag on me, so you can get an idea of the kind of size. I am a UK size 8 and I'm about 5'3", so it's very versatile. You can wear it like this, you can wear it over your shoulder, you can fit so much in this bag. This is from the 2014 collection, and we can see that by, there's a date code inside, and I'll just give you a look, show you, as you can see there, and from that date code we can see that this is from the 2014 collection. So yeah, if you'd like to shop this bag, then go to the link in the description and it should take you straight to this bag on our website. But if it happens to take you to our general products page, unfortunately that means that the bag is sold. But what you need to do in that case is, while you're on our website, at the top there should be a request an item part. If you click that, then there'll be a little form that pops up and you fill that in. Let us know which bag you would love, and then we'll notify you as soon as we get one in. And to get your welcome discount, you need to sign up to our newsletter and you'll get that through as well. Also join Armcandy Rewards. It's our scheme where you can earn candies and then exchange them for more discounts and prizes. And then lastly, if you have any gorgeous bags like this one that you'd like to sell with us, then head to our Sell With Us page that's on our website as well, and all the details about that process will be on there as well. And we'll see you soon with some more Armcandy.